Hello everyone, and today's sewing basics tutorial is going to be how I make a basic trim. To make your own size trim, basically go ahead and take whatever measurement of the size you want plus a 3/8 inch seam allowance. So I'm just going to use a 2-inch strip as an example, and this will leave me with a 1 5/8 inch wide piece of trim. Starting on the bottom edge, we're going to do a rolled hem. There are different ways to do a small rolled hem, but I am going to be using a rolled hem foot that comes with my machine. So it's going to have this little kind of spirally bit in the middle. And I'm going to attach this to my machine, and I'm going to take the corner of my strip and place it into this spiral, folding the edge up over the top, and I'm gonna kind of push this through a little bit till I get the fabric under my needle, but it's still trapped in that spiral. Then holding it folded over, I'm going to start sewing, and it should automatically be sewing it into a rolled hem. Make sure to keep the edge of the fabric with the straight edge of that foot. That way the fabric won't be over or under rolled. And I'm going to sew all the way down the edge of this strip. So it will look like this. On the other edge, I'm going to use my serger to sew a ruffle into this edge. Going to my specific serger, I'm going to locate my stitch length dial and my differential speed dial. You want the stitch length dial to be at a 4, the highest number, and then my differential feed, I wanted a 2, the highest number. For the thread tensions, I'm using a 5.5, 5.5, 5.5, and a 5. But right now I will just be sewing with 3, so I will not be using the first dial. And all you're gonna do is start serging that raw edge, and your machine will automatically start to gather your strip of fabric. If you're using your 4 spools of thread, you will be able to adjust the gathers more if you want them tighter, but these amount of gathers usually work best for me. And this is basically the easiest way to make your own trim. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!